Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at some really amazing gadgets that will help you in day-to-day work as well as look really cool to use as well. As always, all products will be listed on the description, which you'll be able to check out for yourself, and do stick around till the end for more details on our giveaway to come. Do like and subscribe for more content like this, and make sure to hit the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. First on the list, we have a really cool gadget that was announced just a couple weeks back, Ring Always Home Cam. This is actually a mix of a drone and a security camera, a security drone, which is actually a first on the commercial market as far as I know. The drone works using Ring's own security locks, which you can install all around your house, which will send a signal to the drone when it detects an unauthorized entry from any point, making the drone to power up while sending you an alert to your mobile. You can then control the drone camera from wherever you are and use the camera, send the drone around your house and investigate what is happening, all the while having a 1080p live feed of your home on your screen. Also, to make things easier for you, Ring will also provide you with preset pads, which you can program to signal a part of your home like the kitchen, and you can map out the route in one time from the drone's charging port to the preset pad, whereas it will be saved on the system, and the next time you need to see what's happening in your kitchen, like whether you have powered on your gas burner properly or if all lights are switched off, all you have to do is switch on the security drone and click kitchen, and the drone will go on its own and show you the room so you can be sure everything is as it should be. And of course, the product is made basing privacy of its customers its top priority, with the drone being able to record only while it's flying, and the rest of the time it will sit idly on its pad, with the camera securely closed behind the pad walls. Production team has also made sure it makes a small hum while it flies, so it won't sneak up on anyone, as well as has both obstacle avoidance software installed, as well as the propellers are safely enclosed inside the body, so that it will not accidentally clip anyone while flying. This is definitely a brand new invention, which will be up for purchase soon enough, and will save you tons of money and hassle on getting multiple security cameras when you can cover the entire home with just one camera. Do check out the link on description for pricing and more details, which I'm sure you will think is more than reasonable and would be way more interesting to have. The next gadget we have on the line is something that will keep track of all your belongings. No matter where you lose them, if you have this installed, it will surely be found. This is called the Tile Tracker. It works as a small tile which you can keep on basically anything: your phone, your headphones, toys, remotes, even in your car. The tile is powered with a small battery and can be mapped out with the name of the device attached to the app on your phone. Whenever you can't find anything that is with the tile, all you have to do is make the tile ring using the app, and it will ring loud enough for you to hear. If you can't find it with ringing, or you think you lost the item some distance away, you can again use the app and see where it was last seen on the records, which will help to track it down using GPS. And if you still can't find your item by tracing the location, or by some miracle the last known location hasn't been recorded properly, you can activate the Find Through community task on the app, and every single tile on the vicinity of the lost item will actively sync and send you a notification with where it can be found. This gadget also has the premium option of finding items before it is even lost to you. When it detects that the item is not in your possession, it will simply send you an alert with the location where it can be found, making sure all your possessions are accounted for. Do check out the link on description for more information and for the really low price tag it comes with. I'm sure we all can appreciate some easy help to keep a track of all our things, and now even before we lose it. Next product we have has something to do with some next level technology, which will make sure you look really cool hands down. ORII Smart Ring. This is an alternative for the age-old mobile hands-frees or Bluetooth headsets, making the audio both in and out of mobile calls go through the smart ring you wear. The ring will vibrate on call, and using bone conduction technology, make sure that you hear as well as speak loud and clear to both sides of the conversation. Apart from making calls, it can also alert you to incoming messages and reply by using just a tap, and messages read out to you, from text to voice and voice to text. It also supports Siri and Google Assistant on your mobile, making sure you can operate your smart devices with just a couple gestures or even by speaking out loud, just the way you do with calls. You can also play, skip, pause your music, and also with muting your notifications to enjoy the moment. This is definitely a futuristic gadget which you can purchase right now. Do check the link on description for more info on the product and on how to purchase. Next, we have a simple gadget that is actually top-notch in its function, the new C Pen PT10. This is literally a mini scanner for your pocket, which comes with a few added bonuses in its tiny form. To start with, you can easily scan any and every document in any language and any context to begin. All you need to do is align the text with the scanner head and swipe either from right to left or left to right, making sure all the necessary wording is captured. Then it will be automatically be up on your smart device as text for your use as you please. It can also help you with understanding hard to spell words, where the device will spell out the word, directly translate from any language to any language, and even read out entire paragraphs if it's too much of a bother for you to read yourself, just by using the many functions of the C Pen app. This will definitely help you in documents and research papers with reducing all the time spent typing completely, and make sure all your text is perfectly spelled and even translated. Definitely recommended to check out. Next on the line is another futuristic ring gadget that will definitely wow you and your friends, as well as get the job done perfectly as it should. This is called SNOWL, the world's first virtual gesture controlled mouse. This is again a gadget designed as a ring for your finger, which you can use to operate as a mouse, trackpad, or even like a joystick or a VR handset, making sure all your tasks are done efficiently as well as contactless. It works using a 9-dot sensor built inside it, which tracks your gestures and clicks on the touchpad on the top, making sure everything is done right as it should, without any machine or software lag on screen. You can also program the ring to detect set gestures for certain tasks, which you can preset using the app, making sure your tasks are done even more smoothly and faster, by skipping a video by swiping, or even turning volume up or down with a flick of a finger. Do check out the link on description for more info on the product, and I'm sure you will find this surprisingly useful with your day-to-day work. Next on our list is a new type of smartwatch, Hela Bio Smartwatch. This is a newly released smartwatch which comes with all the usual tricks you can find in almost any standard smartwatch these days, with the added bonus of being the world's first smartwatch with the capability of monitoring your blood sugar levels accurately with using your sweat. Normally, to get a reading of your blood sugar levels, the easiest way to do would be to prick your finger and test a blood droplet, which is both a little painful and discomfortable. But with Hela Bio Smartwatch, the device is able to monitor your blood sugar levels with just a tap from your sweaty fingertips on the tiny pad in front, which will automatically detect the levels by checking the sweat. The manufacturer guarantees that as much as this is painless and easy to operate, it is also much more accurate than the glucose meters that come in some smartwatches nowadays. The watch is also able to monitor your lactic acid levels, blood pressure, and also your heart rate, making it a proper health monitor on your wrist. Apart from all the health tracking, the device can also track your sleep patterns and the quality of your sleep to make sure that you get the best of the rest. It will also automatically track all your workouts and exercises, and will function as usual with all other smartwatch functions, such as making calls, texting, and a whole lot more. I would definitely suggest this as the best for anyone who is really serious on their healthy lifestyles, as this will let you monitor and improve a whole lot of things at the same time using just one device. To announce our giveaway for this time, we have partnered up with the Nanoleaf company and we will be giving away 15 panels of Nanoleaf canvas to one lucky subscriber of our channel soon. All you have to do is to like the video and subscribe the channel. Make sure to click the bell icon as well in order not to miss the latest updates on new tech as well as on the giveaway. That's it for this video guys. Make sure to check out all the products by yourself by using the links on description where you are able to purchase them as well with no hidden commissions being charged. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this and do comment below for any specific gadget you would like us to review and we will do just that. Have a good day and much love.